The north side can be considered a lot of things to a lot of people. From the wheelers and dealers, to the athletes, to the aspirational people, to the killers, to the crackheads, to everybody, right? The mothers and kids. It could be considered a lot of things. It could be considered safe, a place of familiarity, dangerous. But one thing it's considered to me is home. From the Hostess Bakery smells at 7 o'clock in the evening every day, to playing Matthew Dickey, or playing at Matthew Dickey, to arguing with people from Herbert Hoover. You feel me? But that's what made us. And ever since that tornado, it feels like they trying to forget about us. So these films or these videos are here to give y'all a glimpse into the people that are born, bred, and still live here. So as I sit on the porch of the house that I grew up in, and I almost was born in, except for it's right across the street, I bring to you, this is the North.
Alright, I'm a key in on this one though, because I know everything is about the north side and how we been on the north side, and this year and the north side being the north side, but man, we still ain't even got over the ice storm.
Swear to God.
We still ain't even got over the ice storm and the effects of the ice storm, our houses, our cribs, and everything. Then, you know, we had 314 day. 314 day supposed to be the big day for St. Louis, and then still, you know, they say the north side, they say the county, St. Louis still, it was North County, so we say, or however they call it, Breckenridge, Belleville, or Velda City, or whatever it was, but the tornado hit there. Then turn around and 2 months later, the tornado came to the north side. So it was traveling. So even at that, even when it coming to the north side, and me feeling how I felt, I saw it happen. I looked out the front door. We was in the front door like, man, this can't be real. We had the front door and the back door open. The wind came through. Motherfucking windows blew
you was
out.
Smart then. So you had the doors open so that shit wouldn't fuck your shit up.
No, it's hot in the motherfucker.
Word.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Everybody on the north side don't got central air. So we had the windows and the doors open.
God bless you then. On
yeah, so when the tornado came, we was looking outside like,
it's like
we was like, dang, it look crazy as hell. It look like ain't nothing going on. And then I'm telling him like, nah, bro, look over there. As soon as I said look over there, rain just started coming out of nowhere, and we was like, what the fuck? And we bagged in, stepped in the house, and next thing you know, the wind started blowing. And when the wind blew across, we was like, oh, that's cool. Then the sky turned green, then it turned blue, then it turned purple.
I swear it turned all the colors.
Man, that boy with the rainbow colors in my cup. And we was right there, but man, I would say that's one of the wildest experiences that I had on the north side, but it's not one of the wildest experiences I had on the north side. Cause just that's just saying living on the north side.
Yeah.
We didn't.
And then just basically growing up on the north side. I mean, there's a lot of families that stuck together. A lot of local mom and pop stores, laundromats, stuff like that. There's a lot of strength in the community. Me, when we was growing up, you know, there's a lot of strength, a lot of people sticking together. I mean, you can go as far as like, if your parents had to work or something like that, you'll be at your neighbor's house, your neighbors will take care of you, they'll feed you and stuff like that. And then by the time you time to go to sleep or whatnot, wake up, do it again in the morning. Some of the neighbors even come to your house and take you to walk you to your bus stop and stuff like that.
Yep.
You know, Northside was very, very like hospitable. A lot of candy stores and stuff like that. Kids, a lot of people
Candy stores. Your ass little snacky.
So you used to like go to Hoopers and shit all the time.
Yeah. I'd be Fred's too,
Yeah.
and Mr. Candy Shop. over here on Park Lane, stuff like that. And you know, we just go there. All of us get some food stamps. That's when he had the food stamps.
Him saying that though, I remember I seen some of the northside shit though. At 41 years old, I seen it go from white store owners to black store owners to Arab store owners to now the Indian store owners.
Yeah.
And it's crazy because the black store owners is the hardest thing still to be.
Mm-hmm.
And on the north side.
Why do you think that is then? Like,
because we support each other, but we don't support each other. The first thing we do as support is we go to your restaurant and then we talk about how bad your restaurant is. The best days of my north side life was in the last 100 days because I seen everybody come back together and break it all the way back down to the soft turf and really just want to help each other.
Right.
Yeah, which we ain't seen in a while.
Yeah, we ain't seen, I mean, when was the last time you just was happy to just see somebody you didn't know?
Yeah.
Swear to God.
Yeah.
You
Like,
just happy
thank God
that
you alive.
Yeah.
Too, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And some people don't even really believe or know that we had that tornado.
Yeah.
Swear to God.
Swear
Swear to God.
It's,
Outside of this little bubble
120
shit,
days.
yeah.
120 days, and it's like.
On the forefront, I see a lot of greatness coming back. I see it spinning back around like it used to be. A lot of more, like I say, we see more people sticking together. A lot of store owners and there's a lot of more people sticking together and whatnot. So I think that's gonna be on a good run.
Okay. What you think? I see your face. What you thinking?
I mean, I think it's gonna be good, but I don't know because the leadership that we have is gonna change, and then it's gonna change, and it's gonna change before the leadership that we have time to change anything that's going on.
Yeah.
So whoever in office, they can't fix it.
Because this is gonna be a 5 to 6 year situation. We looking at a situation that need to be fixed that's not gonna be fixed until at least after 2030.
And we just got that Rams money.
Yeah, what I'm saying.
But they're not delegating that right.
What's gonna be the progress?
Yeah.
They've been working on St. Louis since I've been alive. Shit, since 1964. Since they built the arch. since they built the arch, they've been working on St. Louis. We done went from project to project to project to project to project, and we still ain't got no outcome.
So with that being said, like to make the end all be all, right?
Mm-hmm.
What would you like to see as in the totality or finality of everything? What would y'all like to be what would you want to see as the solution? Y'all self.
Shit, that's unfathomable.
Yeah.
Damn, I can dig it.
That's unfathomable because it's like shit. What I want to see, shit. That's like making a wish.
Yeah.
Yeah, but make that wish. I'm saying make that wish right now.
But it's unfathomable for everything to be perfect.
Yeah.
You can't fix every house. You can't fix every house on the block, and you can't control every house on the block, and that's the problem.
What's the word, y'all? I ain't went live in a couple days, just letting you know we still out here. Got my buddy here. But we still out trying to help the community. I'll show y'all the progress of everything.
We're still trying to help and give food to everyone. And I'm literally praying for the people that got hurt and didn't.
Yeah, there you go.
And so they will live a longer life.
Yeah, what she said.